The players march onto the pitch.
And the home team have...
Son Heung-min. Saliba with a tackle. Oh, well intercepted. And he's won it back for his team.
He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all.
A misplaced pass. Rudiger with a challenge. Lothar Matthaus.
Won the ball.
Mbappe. A lot of missed passes today. They'll have to improve. Bellingham with the ball. He's moving fast with the ball. Oh, that pass could have been better. He's broken through. He's in the clear and going for goal. Oh, there from Haaland. He tucked it away. What a well-placed shot. Rudiger. Hakimi. Declan Rice. Will it go in? Heung-min Son.
That goal has changed the shape of the game. Let's see what happens now.
Now De Bruyne. He has a crack from distance. Oh, what a hit. That is a fantastic goal.
That's his second goal.
That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. Son Heung-min. He misjudged the pass.
He's read that one absolutely perfectly.
A careless pass there. Oh, that's a poor pass. Is this a goal? And they've equalised.
They're kicking off after that goal. Will they?
Goals were flying in the first half. Will we see more in the second? A misplaced pass. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
Oh, confident defending.
Some really fluid passing on display. Great understanding between this team. This game could go either way, but there's still chances to take the lead. And that was a foul all day long. Tries the shot. Good save. It was heading goalwards.
It's a throw-in. And the manager's making a change here. He steps up to steal the ball.
De Jong with the tackle.
Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution.
Saliba with a tackle.
That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. Still level. Will both teams take that, or will one of them go for the win?
Rudiger with the challenge. Is this the moment? Goal from Mbappe.
2 goals today from this exciting player.
It looks like he's taking off their best player today. Maybe it's time to save it for future games.
This is Lewandowski.
They're just looking to keep the ball. Oh, that's well played. Surely now. The board is up, and new players coming on. Whipped in. And it's a goal. They've drawn level. A good goal from the corner. They practiced that one in training. Let's see a replay of that crucial goal.
We're into time added on now.
They need to defend bravely. Their opponents are looking for a late winner. And there we have. He's been outstanding. To no one's surprise, he's been named as the player of the match.